Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple audio to a single video in CapCut PC. So in here I have a 7 seconds long video and I want to add a multiple audio on it. So for example, in here the first audio that I'm going to add is the original audio, so I'm going to extract it first. You can just right click on the clip and here tap on the extract audio. So this is the first audio, and the second one is I'm going to add a background music. So let's head to the audio and find music as an example. For example, here I'm going to use this one. So let's download it first, and then after that you can just click on the plus icon, and in here I'm going to split in here and adjust or align the position to how you like it, and I'm going to also trim here. So on the background music, I'm going to add a fade in and out effect. So you can just click on the audio and adjust the durations of the fade in and also the fade out, like this. So now two audio has been added into the clip. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.